What's the meaning of Bulgarian? Bulgarian. Bulgarian.
Bulgarian. Bulgarian. Bulgarian refers to anything related to Bulgaria, a country located in southeastern Europe. The term can be used to describe the language, culture, people, or anything else associated with Bulgaria. Bulgarians are known for their rich history, traditions, and folklore, as well as their contributions to fields such as literature, music, and sports. The Bulgarian language belongs to the Slavic group of languages and is the official language of Bulgaria. Despite facing various political and economic challenges in recent years, Bulgaria remains an important player in regional affairs and an attractive destination for travelers seeking adventure, culture, or natural beauty.